In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Pinterest ads account. By the end, you'll have a brand-ready profile and an ad account you can start using right away. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Pinterest ads. This is the fastest way to land on the official advertising page. When the results load, click the link that points to the ads or business section on Pinterest.com. Always double-check the web address so you know you're on the legitimate site before entering any information. If you already have a Pinterest account, go ahead and log in. If not, choose Sign Up to create a new one. You'll be asked for an email, a strong password, and your birth date. Use credentials you'll remember, keep them secure, and only enter this information on the official Pinterest site. Next, describe your business. You may see questions about your industry, what you sell or offer, and your business size. These details help Pinterest tailor recommendations, surfaces, and tips so your ads are more relevant from day one. Now add your business name, select your country or region, and include your website if you have one. Your country setting influences things like currency and available features, so choose the location where your business operates. Your website helps build trust and sends interested people to the right place. You'll then set your business goals and the focus of your brand. Pick the options that best reflect your objectives, whether that's driving traffic, building awareness, or growing sales, and the topics or categories that match your content. This shapes your onboarding and can streamline campaign setup later. Pinterest may ask how you'd like to start, sharing ideas or showcasing your brand. Choose the path that fits your immediate priority. You can always explore both approaches as you build your presence. Head into Edit Profile and complete your public details. Update your company name, About section, pronouns if you use them, website, username, email address, country code, phone number, and business address. Keep your branding consistent, choose a clear username, and make sure contact details are accurate for notifications and account support. Only enter your own information and keep it private outside of secure forms. Click Save to lock in those changes so nothing gets lost. From the top navigation, click your company name and select Add Ad Account. Enter an ad account name, choose your country, and click Create. The country you pick determines billing currency and feature availability, so align it with where you operate. That's it. You're ready to explore the account. Take a moment to look around the Ads Manager, review the menus for campaigns and audiences, and get comfortable with the dashboard. You've successfully created your Pinterest ads account and set up your business profile for a strong start.